Okay, so here's a video diary of our garden. The battery's about to die, so I'm not sure how long this will last. These things are blooming, these mums. Here's a hydrangea that we planted. Look at all these zinnias. The butterflies and bees love them. There is a small hydrangea in there. There's the other hydrangea. There's the magnolia that we moved. Doing pretty good. Okay. There's a small girl.
Bee.
Huh?
Bee.
Bee?
Yeah.
Oh, be careful. It is a bee. And the hostas. Be careful, Kai. Okay. Here's the myrtle. Thriving. Look how nice that looks. Here is, come on Kai, let's go out back. Here is all the sunflowers. These are going to have to come down before we get complaints in the neighborhood. But look at, there was like 50 of them. Come on Kai. You got some rocks? Let's go out back real quick. Show off the garden we've been working on. Let's go. You've been working hard on it too, right? You help water. Let's go. All right. Here are all the tomatoes. Doing great. Here are peppers. Here are more peppers. Here's the herbs. Most are still alive. Here's some cucumbers and lettuces, radishes. There's the blueberry bush. And there's my hammock. So there you have it. It's looking pretty good. Kai, do you want to say bye? Can you take that out of your mouth first, please? Kai.
Bye-bye.